safety and reliable. Hello, this is Liu from Hubei Best Crane. Today, I'm gonna introduce you the brand new SQ716ZB6. Let's have a look. It can lift 25 tons within 3 meters with a maximum lifting height of 17.8 meters. It comes with an 8-meter dual chamber outriggers, making it suitable for low space operations and easily moved in narrow spaces. Paired with a 100-meter remote control, you can view the entire situation from high to far. Optional 3-ton winch, circle lifter, etc. can meet various customer size needs of customers.